how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Today I am going to start our new chapter, chapter number 2, Year to Year. Do you know, student, what is the work of year? So, it helps us to hear or listen. Okay, we can listen anything or we can hear by the help of ear. Ear is known as our sense organ. Sense organ means the organ by which we can sense what is going on in our surroundings. So that is our sense organ. We can able to see, smell, hear or feel anything with the help of sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? So 5 sense organs that are there. We have 5 sense organs mainly. Which 5 sense organs? So first one is eyes, second one ears, third one nose, fourth one tongue, and fifth one skin. And they are performing various functions like eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose helps us to smell, tongue helps us to speak and to taste, and fifth one skin helps us to feel. Okay, so these are the 5 sense organs. ये हमारे 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स हैं जिनके द्वारा हम अपने आसपास क्या हो रहा है वो चीजें फील कर सकते हैं. आइज मीन्स हमारी आंखें क्या करती हैं? हम लोग अपनी आंखों से देख सकते हैं, कानों से सुन सकते हैं, नोज से स्मेल कर सकते हैं, टंग से टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं और स्किन से फील कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई भी चीज हमें गर्म लगती है, ठंडी लगती है तो वो किससे फील करते हैं? तो स्किन से. इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न अबाउट ईयर्स एंड इट हैज हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स? इट हैज 3 पार्ट्स and it is divided into outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. And these 3 parts are performing various functions. Like first part is outer ear that provides protection and channels sounds. आप देख सकते हैं कि आउटर ईयर मीन्स जो बाहरी हिस्सा होता है कान का वो क्या करता है? वो हमारे कान को सुरक्षा देता है, मीन्स प्रोटेक्ट करता है और जो साउंड होते हैं उसको अंदर भेजने का काम करता है. देन middle ear equalizes air pressure between outer and inner surface of the eardrum. और middle ear क्या काम करता है? तो वो इक्वलाइजिंग संतुलन बना के रखता है जो आउटर सरफेस है ईयरड्रम की और इनर सरफेस है उनके बीच. देन थर्ड वन इज इनर ईयर. व्हाट इट्स फंक्शंस? so it operates body's sense of balance and कंटेंट्स हियरिंग. और हमारे बॉडी का बैलेंस बना के रखने का काम, उसको यानी संतुलित रखने का काम कौन करता है? तो इनर ईयर. जब हम कोई आवाज़ अचानक से अगर कोई ब्लास्टिंग का आवाज साउंड सुनते हैं तो क्या होता है? बॉडी का बैलेंस हिल जाता है. तो उस बॉडी को बैलेंस बनाने का काम और वो हियरिंग को कंटेन करने का काम कौन करता है? तो इनर ईयर. नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट एनिमल्स whose ears we can see and animals whose ears we cannot see. All animals are having ears of different type. Some have large ears, some have short ears, some have fan-shaped ear, and some of the animals have leaf-shaped ear. And many of the birds, reptiles, and insects they have ears, but we can't see them because they have holes instead of ears, so we cannot see their ears. So let's learn about it from the chapter. So let's open page number 8 of your textbook. Here on this page you can see what is written here. Who has got my ears? Are these animals are looking funny? Yes, but why? Because the artist has drawn wrong ears on the head of the animals. So what we have to do? We have to describe where the animals' correct ears are located in the space given below. Here I have written name of animals, and here we have to write the name of the animal who has the ears of the particular animal. Like यहाँ आपको कुछ एनिमल्स के नेम दिए हैं और यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, किसके सिर पर ये नेम दिए हुए हैं उनके कान में. सो फर्स्ट वन, elephant. In this picture you can see elephant's ears are on the head of giraffe. So we will write giraffe. किसके सिर पर है एलिफेंट के कान? जिराफ के सिर पर. The next one, rabbit. Rabbit's ears are on, where it is? Rabbit's ears are on dog's head. So we will write dog. The next one is mouse. Where is the mouse here? It is on elephant's head. माउस के यानी कि रेड के ईयर कहाँ है? तो वो कहाँ पर है? एलिफेंट के हेड पर. The next one, giraffe. Giraffe's ear are on the head of rabbit. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कि जिराफ के ईयर्स कहाँ है? रेबिट के हेड पर है. The next one, dog. डॉग की ईयर कहाँ है? Where is the dog's ear? Yes, it is on the head of mouse. माउस के हेड पर डॉग के कान है. The next one, buffalo's ears are on deer, and last one, deer. So its ears are on buffalo. Now we have written where are the ears of particular animals. Elephant's ears are on giraffe, rabbit's ears are on dog, and mouse ears are on elephant's head, and giraffe's ears are on rabbit's head, and dog's ears are on mouse head, and buffalo's ears are on deer, and deer's ears are on buffalo. And different animals have different kind of ears. Among the animals given below, you have to classify the following into animals whose ears we can see and animals whose ears we cannot see. यहाँ पर कुछ एनिमल्स के नेम्स दिए हुए हैं, उनमें से आपको क्लासिफाई करना है कौन से एनिमल्स के कान हम देख सकते हैं और कौन से एनिमल्स के कान हम नहीं देख सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वन, आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डियर. Deer's ear we can see, so we will write here in first group. Second one, frog. Frog's ear we cannot see because it has holes instead of ears. Then fish. Ear of fish also we cannot see because it also has holes instead of ears. And ant has also holes instead of ears, so we cannot see ear of frog, fish and ant. So we will write it in the second column. Then next one is crow. Crow is a bird. So as you all know, all birds and then insects and reptiles have holes instead of ears. So we will write crow also here. They have holes instead of ears, so we cannot see the ears of frog, fish and then crow. Next one is pig. Pig is an animal who give birth to babies, so we can see ears of pig also. Giraffe also we can see ears of giraffe. It has ears on the top of its head, so we can see the ears of giraffe. Then cat, we can see ears of cat also. Then tiger, we can see ears of tigers also. Then sparrow. Sparrow is a bird and it has holes, so we cannot see their ears. Then buffalo. We can see ears of buffalo also. It has ears on both sides of its head. Then snake. Snake is a reptile. It crawls and it has holes on its scale, so we cannot see its ears. Then lizard. We cannot see the ears of lizard also, so we will write here. Then duck. So we cannot see the ears of duck also, so we will write in the second group. Then next one is elephant. Elephant has fan-shaped ears and it flaps its ears and keep its body cool. So we can see the ears of elephant and we will write in the second row. Then monkey also. Monkey has ears, so we can see ears of monkey. Okay. So in this way we can bifurcate. We can classify these animals into two groups. Animals whose ears we can see. In that group we have written deer, pig, giraffe, cat, tiger, buffalo, elephant and monkey. And in another group, animals whose ears we cannot see. So in that group we have written all the names of birds, reptiles and insects. So frog, fish and crow, sparrow, snake, lizard and duck will be included in this group. I hope you understood what I taught you in this video. Remaining part of this chapter I will share in next video, and I will share the PDF of this chapter in our WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a nice